Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
My dear students, welcome to Chemistry online classes. Today we are going to discuss about first PUC atomic structure chapter. In that one, problems on hydrogen spectrum. Hydrogen spectrum. First PUC atomic structure. Okay. Dear students, this problem is related to hydrogen spectrum. You have to solve what is the wavelength of light emitted. What is the wavelength of light emitted when the electron in hydrogen atom undergoes transition from an energy level n is equal to 4 to n is equal to 2? What is the color of radiation that you have to find out? What is the color of radiation that you have to find out? Here you have to find out color of radiation and what is the wavelength. That two things you have to find out. First you have to find out wavelength, second you have to find out color of radiation. My dear students, here what is given that you have to note down. N higher energy level, this is lower energy level, is nothing but N1 is given 2, N2 is given 4, this 2 is given, correct? Then R value we know that Rydberg constant 10967777 centimeter inverse. R value is given, correct? So what you have to find out? Wavelength. So what formula we have using this? So only energy level and R is given. Which formula we have in our pocket connecting with the wavelength? It's nothing but 1 by lambda, it's nothing but wave number is equal to R 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. This is the formula, correct? Here lambda you have to find out. So I write 1 by lambda is equal to 109677 and 1 by N1 is how much? 2 square minus 4 square, it's okay. Then 1 by lambda is equal to 19677. This is actually centimeter inverse entire unit because it comes centimeter inverse, okay. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 16, 1 by 16, okay. So now this part is clear. 2 to the power 4 and this one is 16, okay. Then while taking 1 by solving this one, you will get 109677 and 1 by 4 and 16 into 4 is 64, it's 32, 1 minute. Yes, taking LCM 16 into 4, 64 and divided by here 16 minus 4 is 12. 12 by 64. Sorry, 12 by 64. Correct? No? Simple mathematics. 16 into 4, 64 you will get in this one. 16 minus 4 you are getting 12. Correct? Centimeter inverse. Here also centimeter inverse. Centimeter inverse. So this I can write in centimeter inverse like this. If I take this 64 up, this inverse will get changed. That I can write like this. 1 by lambda is equal to, or this is also possible, or you can write like this also. What I am writing now, like this also you can write the same. 64 into 12. Now this becomes centimeter, not inverse, because you have taken 64. Correct? 64. Now this becomes centimeter, not inverse. You can write this way or you can write this way. Understood? Please note down, my dear students, you can write both the way. At that time here, lambda. If you are writing like this, it become okay. Okay. Now this is not inverse because you are taken inverse to this side and it becomes 64 divided by this particular. Understood? Lambda. This is possible. You can write this way or you can write this way. If you are writing like this, by taking inverse this side and it become centimeter. Understood? By solving this one, you are getting answer 64 divided by 4.86 into 10 to the power minus 5 centimeter. So if you are writing in meter means 4.86 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter, minus 9 meter. It is nothing but 486 nanometer. In 486 nanometer, which color you are getting? Color is nothing but bluish green color. Bluish green color. Bluish green color. Okay. My dear students, very simple problem. What is the wavelength of light emitted when the electron in hydrogen atom undergoes transition from an energy level n is equal to 4 to n is equal to 2? What is the color of the radiation? That what is given, that you have to write down first. N1 is given, N2 is given, N2 is higher energy level, R is given. We are substituting that value by solving by simple mathematics here. 16 into 4 it gives 64 and 60 minus 4 is gives 12, taking LCM and all HCM. You know that how to do this one, and here you can write, if you are taking this inverse to this side means it becomes 64 divided by, and here it becomes centimeter, not inverse, not down here, because here I am writing lambda, this inverse means get changed here. Understood? So and this become by solving this it gives 4.86 into 10 to the power minus 5 centimeter, and if you are writing in a meter 4.86 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter, and 10 to the power minus 9 meter is nothing but 486 nanometer. Okay, it is nothing but a bluish green color. Okay, 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Okay, so answer is 486. Okay, my dear students, next problem is calculate the wave number of the longest wavelength in Balmer series. Calculate the wave number of longest wavelength in Balmer series. You know that Balmer series, what is N1, my dear students? Solution for this one. N1 is what is? N1 is nothing but 2. Energy level 2. Correct? Now those electron jumps to higher energy level and it reaches to energy level 2 is called Balmer series. Okay. Then shortest, here you have to find out longest wavelength. That I told actually last class. If the jump is shortest, wavelength is largest. Remember, jump is shortest. Shortest jump, longest wavelength. Longest wavelength. That I explained last class. Please go through that video, hydrogen spectrum. In that I explained clearly. So this is energy level 2. Correct? N is equal to 2, N is equal to 3, N is equal to 4, like this. Different electron comes from here to here, here to here. Which one is shortest jump? Shortest jump means N is equal to 2 to N is equal to N is equal to 3 to N is equal to 2 is shortest wavelength. So this jump is gives shortest jump gives longest wavelength. Shortest jump gives longest wavelength. Remember, shortest jump gives longest wavelength. So here N2 you should consider as N2 is not given but it is 3 because you should get longest wavelength. Longest wavelength means shortest jump. Remember, shortest jump gives longest wavelength. Shortest jump gives longest wavelength. Shortest jump gives longest wavelength. Okay. N2 is equal to 3. And R value we know that R is equal to 109677 centimeter inverse. Okay, 109. Here the formula for wave number is equal to RH is there, Rydberg constant, 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Correct. Here wave number is equal to R 109677, 1 by n1 square is nothing but 1 by 2 square and 1 by 3 square. And by solving this one, it gives 1 by 4, 1 by 3 is how much? 9 and it gives 109677, 5 divided by 36 gives around 10977. This is all centimeter inverse, okay. This is also centimeter inverse because you are taken this value, R value in a centimeter inverse. So it gives, by solving this one, is around 0.13 into 0.138 something. You can consider as 0.14, no problem, okay. 13, it gives 0.14. So this multiplication gives answer. Calculate. 109677 into 0.14. So you are getting answer, okay, 15354, 15354, that you can write 15354.78. 0.78. Okay, then it is 1.52 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter inverse. That you can write in centimeter also, no problem. Centimeter inverse also you can write, no problem. What value you are getting in a centimeter inverse, that also you can write. It's around 15354.78. It is centimeter inverse, that also you can write 15354. So if you are writing answer for this problem, means you can write 15354.7 centimeter inverse. This is also you can write. Answer is 15354.7 centimeter inverse. No doubt. My dear students, next problem is calculate the wave number of shortest wavelength in Balmer series. Balmer series, you have to find out shortest wavelength. My dear students, we already discussed about longest wavelength. You know that in Balmer series n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4, like that it is there actually. So if you want longest wavelength, jump should be shortest. That means long wave, short jump, high jump, low wave. Remember this word. If you want high, low jump, high wave, then high jump, short wave. So if you want a short wave, means then jump should higher energy level. So first we discussed about high wavelength. Now we want high jump. High jump means from which energy level it can jump? infinity level. From infinity level it can jump. We don't know which one is highest energy level in this particular. It may infinity. Who knows? Correct? Infinity energy level. So highest is considered as infinity energy level. From there if it jumps means wavelength is shortest. So here is solution. N1 is equal to given 2, but N2 is given infinity. So wave number is equal to 1 by RH is equal to 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square centimeter inverse, and here RH is equal to 1677 2 square minus infinity square means 1 by infinity square. You write like this simply. Why you are writing infinity square? If you write it's the same, then it gives 1 by 4. 1 by infinity square means 0 only, so it is a centimeter inverse, and 109677 divided by 4 gives how much? That is a question. 109677 divided by 4 gives 274192. This is actually centimeter inverse. Understood? This is shortest wavelength.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.